Yeah, Jamaica College will want to give a good account of themselves.
St. Catherine High, they'll be running from lane 7. And in lane 6 will be William Knibb.
Yeah, these are the fastest qualifiers. William Knibb.
Herbert Morrison from the west takes up their place in lane 5.
Always seem to put together good relay teams, Herbert Morrison.
Another team from the west. Well, Calabar will be in lane 4.
Yeah, can they complete the sprint relay double? They won the Class 1 boys 4x1. Can they do the same here?
Electrifying. Kingston College, they'll be running from lane 3.
They will make this event electrifying, as they always do. Running from lane 3, Kingston College.
And in lane 1, the Western champions, Stets. The overall Western champions. Won both girls and boys just over a week ago. So, waiting for the start of the Class 1 boys 4x200 meter relay final.
What a cracker this promises to be. Event sponsored by Television Jamaica. Stets, KC Calabar, Herbert Morrison, William Knibb, St. Catherine High, Jamaica College. Slight rush over the stadium. And away they go. Clean start. Calabar, Kingston College, Herbert Morrison, ranging up. William Knibb, very much in business early as expected. So William Knibb, Calabar, Kingston College, St. Catherine High, looking sprightly at the moment. Herbert Morrison Technical is right in the thick of things. Jamaica College on the wide outside. William Knibb Memorial bearing down on them now. JC, William Knibb, St. Catherine High, Calabar, and Herbert Morrison. Penultimate handover has been made. Jamaica College from William Knibb. Then comes Calabar. Herbert Morrison on the inside of St. Catherine High. Kingston College and St. Elizabeth Technical are left back down the backstretch for the final time. William Knibb Memorial, Calabar, Kingston College. Then the rest are trying to get closer now on the final handover. William Knibb streaks away from the pack. Calabar trying to stay in contention. Herbert Morrison Technical off the top end. JC and St. Catherine High. William Knibb Memorial took the fastest qualifying time into this event, and they will justify that favoritism with a solid performance. Herbert Morrison second. Bang up between St. Catherine High and Calabar for third and fourth. 1:26.05 the flash time for the school from Trelawney. William Knibb Memorial.
Excellent by William Knibb. They impressed in the heats, and they've come back here to show just why they came in as one of the favorites at a minute 26.05. They're winning